In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mute and unmute someone on Facebook Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Messenger app, and then if you want to mute some conversation, some user from that list, all you have to do is just swipe to the left on that conversation, then hit add more, and then select mute. That will give you an options to choose for how long you would like to mute that conversation. You can select it from 15 minutes up to 24 hours or even until I change it. So you can select any of them, and after that the conversation will be muted. Muted conversations are marked with that bell icon, and then if you want to continue getting notifications from that conversation and you want to unmute it, all you have to do is just swipe to the left, hit add more, and then unmute. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.